Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to get an empty display name on Roblox, even though Roblox normally requires at least 3 characters. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection, and then open up Roblox and log into your account. Once you're in, go to the settings icon in the top right corner. From there, open account info and look for your display name. Tap the little pencil icon on the right, then clear everything out and try to save it. Now, in some cases, Roblox won't let you save it because it says you need at least 3 characters. If that happens, you can try the glitch method. Just keep tapping the pencil icon, clearing your name, and saving again. Do this around 8 to 10 times. Sometimes it triggers a small glitch and lets you save an empty name. If that still doesn't work, here's the more reliable method. Open a new tab and search for invisible character. Pick any site that gives you a blank or invisible text character. Copy that character, then go back to Roblox. Open the pencil icon again, paste the invisible character into the display name box, and hit save. This usually works on most accounts, and that's how you can get an empty display name on Roblox. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.